My name is Dominic. This lovely evening, I'm going to make you our Zambian suitcase with passion fruit, with also the Zambian grapes. So to start with, I'm going to get the ice. Okay, then I'll get my lovely fresh passion fruit. Then I'll get a little bit of my homemade soda water. Then I'll get our Zambian grape. This grows in the bush like this time of the year, starting from December up to April. So they are all over in the bush. So why it is called the Zambian suitcase with the Zambian grapes? Because traditional men, they used to travel with a suitcase, which is known as the briefcase today. So when they come back home from work, they'll take this on their way and then they present it for their wives and the families. So put it as a garnish to my drink. Okay, and put it on the side. Then I'll get a little bit the orange. Then also to mix it together also, I'll just get lovely our Zambian berries, which they just grows around. As you can see in my back, they're all over there. So just to combine with them. Just to suit up the color. A little bit stir. Put it like this. And then this is my drink. So in this drink, as you can see the color, which is the passion of Christ. Like this time of the year, we are celebrating the Easter with Christ. So as also Zambia, yellow color is also very important. For example, for a woman, she must wear the chitenge, which is yellow, in the presence of her in-laws and their families, to show respect, happiness, warmth, and also love, and also to serve the Zambian traditional foods. And also you can see the color yellow in Zambia is very important. It stands for culture values. So when a man culture values, because Zambia have got 73 tribes. So each tribe have got its own celebration ceremony. So for a man when going to attend the ceremony, you put on a yellow jacket to attend the ceremony. For example, we are about to celebrate the ceremony, which is called the Komboka ceremony. So in these ceremonies, regardless of the tribe, you are also invited to attend all these ceremonies. Thank you so much. Hope you are going to enjoy your drink. Happy Easter!